a hunting gain as fast as he could ride. A hunting horn hung round his neck, a shared sword by his side. When he's come to my lady's ha, he's tirled at the pen. There was none so ready as my lady, take it doon and let him in. Like doon, Earl Richard says, like doon and bide on echt. We'll he cheer with charcoal clear, and candles burning bright. I canna bide, I winna bide, I canna bide afar, for a fairer lady than ten a ye is waiting at my heart. Then he's bent doon fee his milk white steed to kiss her rosy cheeks. She's ta'en a penknife in her hand, and she's wounded him his teeth. Lie there, Earl Richard, she says, lie there until the morn, and a fairer lady than ten a me will think you're lang coming hame. Then she has ca'd her serving maids, and she's ca'd them twa by twa. There is a deed man at my gate, and I wish he was awa. Twa maids hae ta'en him by the hands, twa hae ta'en his feet, and they flung him doon a deep draw well full 50 fathoms deep. It's up there speak a bonny bird that sat upon a tree. Gae hame, ye false lady, and pay your maids their fee. Come doon here, my bonny bird, set upon my hand. I'll gie a cage of the beaten goud, and nae the hazel wand. Gae hame, ye false lady, and an elder may ye be. For as you've done to Earl Richard, say would ye be to me. Then I'd a bent bow in my hand, an arrow on the string, I'd loose a dart at your brood heart among the leaves.